What's up, y'all? You already know who it is, your boy JP, and yes, we have another install. This is a 2005 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm gonna run through this real quick. I actually have nothing dismantled, but I've done these so many times I know exactly where everything's at. So first thing we're gonna do is take off this part. So you really don't need a panel removal tool for that. You can disconnect this harness, but it usually has enough slack to where it can just be out the way. Actually, no, you gotta disconnect the harness because this part has to come up too. So we got that out of the way. We can close this back. Next, you want to remove these little black pieces. Uh-oh, there go one. And then this one up here, you want to go ahead and remove that. There's two. Now we can remove this this panel part right here. All right, so next thing you want to do is press this. There will be one 10 mil right there. All these are 10 mils, by the way. So we're gonna go ahead and take that 10 mil out. All right, that's one. Next, this part right here has to come off the AC. That just comes out. And that's gonna relieve your one in the back, which is 3, one in the back over here, which is 4 10 mils for this panel and for the radio. But before we get those, we have to come down right here and get this 10 mil out. So now that 10 mil is out, you just need to pop this up a tad bit. Hold on real quick. All right, so now that I've just only loosened up this side, this driver's side, and there's one 10 mil back there that's actually holding this panel down, so we need to grab that one. All right, so now that we've gotten those two 10 mils out, and we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our airbag. AC, same little thing. Good gosh. Alright, so now we want to go ahead and take out all 4 of our 10s from the radio. Alright, so now everything is just held in by the clips. Just use your hand. So this is the part to where I'm gonna have to use both hands, but I'm explaining to you what I'm doing. Right over here, you see this part is blocking this. So as we lift up on the panel, you're gonna have to use both hands and just use a little bit of pressure because this bends just enough to go over that side, and you have to do the same thing for the left. All right, so now that I got that off, disconnect my 2 harnesses, one for the hazard light, one for that rear window. Now we have the entire thing out. Radio's already out. We have our harnesses, antennas, all that good jazz that have to come out. 1771. This is our steering wheel control harness right here, and then our 1771. Some of these come with bows. If it has a bows, then it might not be a 1771, it might be an 8113 harness. But anytime you have a Toyota and you have these 2 harnesses, your harness is going to be a 1761. I'm sorry, 1761. These right here will be your rear speakers. This will be your front speakers along with your power, ground, and ignition. And this one right here will be your steering wheel control. So the dash kit that we're using is a 958202 because we will be putting in the JVC KWV240BT. I'm gonna have everything that I'm talking about, all the part numbers, they will be in the description below. So let me go ahead and get to wiring this stuff up, and then we'll see what it looks like when it gets done. It won't look like that anymore.